This is fried milk. It's silky on the inside and crispy on the outside. First line your container with baking paper. You'll need to do this beforehand because when you start cooking, everything will happen really quick. I'm using a 120 litre container. Set your stove at medium heat and pour the milk, cornstarch, sugar and vanilla extract into the saucepan. Mix together and constantly stir this milk mixture for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll start to see that the milk begins to turn into clumps like this and it gets really thick very quickly. Look at how quick the texture changes. Once it gets thick like this, immediately remove the pan from heat. Pour the milk cream into the container lined with baking paper. Rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until it becomes solid. Cut the solidified milk into small cubes, at least 1.5 cm thick, so it won't fall apart when frying. Coat the milk with cornstarch, then egg, then panko breadcrumbs. See the bubbles around the chopsticks? This means that the oil is ready. Fry the milk until golden and crispy. Serve this warm. The fried milk isn't too sweet, so you can drizzle some honey or condensed milk if you like.